Here's a general outline to make a file or folder undeletable. By changing file permissions, right-click on the file or folder you want to protect. Select Properties from the drop-down menu. In the Properties window, navigate to the Security tab. Click on the Edit or Advanced button to change permissions. Adjust the permissions to deny the delete or modify actions for specific user accounts or groups. To revert the changes made by adjusting file permissions, you can follow these steps. Right-click on the file or folder you previously modified. Select Properties from the drop-down menu. In the Properties window, navigate to the Security tab. Click on the Edit or Advanced button to modify the permissions. Adjust the permissions to allow the desired actions for specific user accounts or groups.
Ensure that you select the appropriate user accounts or groups and adjust the permissions accordingly to grant the necessary access.